Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add border or visible border to a shape using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and I will add border to the shape. Click on the shape and now click right button from the mouse cursor and select properties and properties dialog box. Selected appearance. This is border thickness 0.1. I'll make it 5 as this is border now showing here, and border fill color also it says, and see this, and make it 8 also, and see this, the border now showing here also it shows this. Select properties and make it border 6. This border color also change, and see this. In this way you can show all of this shape border. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.